Sometimes on the device, some things may go wrong, or the device may lose connection, or the device may look like it's frozen. In that case, what we could do is we can reset the device by gently pulling on the back casing here. The back casing will come off and we can flip the device over. Here I have a handy dandy paper clip. There is a tiny hole on the bottom of the device here. If I press the paper clip into the hole, what will happen is the device will restart, and when the device actually gets to the white lights with the circle here, I'll know that the device has begun the reset process. So keep that button pressed in until you see this screen. What will happen is the device will restart and reset, and will want to be claimed again by using the Workplace application. Thanks.